Welcome to our video guide on effectively managing the Refer Friend module, your gateway to implementing a powerful referral program in your web store. Learn how to customize module settings, empowering your customers to refer friends and family seamlessly. To access module settings, head to the Modules and Extensions tabs. Locate the Refer Friend module using the quick search. Click the Edit button to enable the Refer Friend module. Explore the 4 crucial settings, including Refer Friend gift voucher amount, release order statuses, referred customer coupon amount, and the choice between gifts and coupons. Customers can effortlessly refer friends and family by sharing a unique code and website link. The automatic code generation and email sharing from the referrer's account streamline the referral process. Now let's explore the Refer Friend email template under the Design and CMS and Email Templates tabs. Click Edit to manage settings such as selecting template type, assigning sales channels, selecting HTML or text format, editing the email title and content, and adding template keys for a personalized touch. Now you can empower your web store with a robust referral program, enhance customer engagement, boost sales, and create a community of loyal customers effortlessly. Thanks for joining us in this guide, and stay tuned for more insightful tutorials.